It's January in Europe. The sky is gray, the soil is colder than your ex's apology, and you're wondering, can I plant anything right now? Yes, you absolutely can. And if you want instant, no-guess answers, open the Strong Echo AI gardening app. Chat with the AI buddy for what to sow in January where you live, and use the plant pest health identifier when something starts looking crunchy. Today's mission: what to plant in January in Europe without wasting seeds or your sanity. We're doing quick wins, smart starts, and future you will thank you moves. Comment what you're growing or planting this month. You can grow it. January Gardening Checklist Europe. Fast setup that saves your season. Before you sow a single seed, do this quick January checklist, Europe edition. Light check. If your window is gloomy, seedlings will stretch like they're reaching for the last Pringle. Warmth check. Most January sowing wants cool but not frozen. Water check. Winter is fungus gnat season, so don't turn your pots into a swamp spa. Label check. Because mystery seedlings is not a fun surprise. It's chaos. If you want the easiest tailored setup, ask the Strong Echo AI gardening app. What do I need to start seeds indoors in January? It'll give you a simple list based on your situation. What to sow in January on a windowsill, Europe friendly. If you've got a windowsill, congratulations, you own a tiny farm now. Here's what to sow in January indoors in Europe that actually works. Lettuce, spinach, rocket, radishes, spring onions, and herbs like parsley and chives. These don't demand tropical heat and a motivational speech. Keep it simple. Sow, keep lightly moist, give bright light, and don't drown them. If the soil stays wet, fungus gnats will move in and start paying rent in emotional damage. Not sure what will work in your exact city? Open the Strong Echo AI gardening app and ask, what can I sow in January on a windowsill in my area? Instant plan. What to plant in January on a balcony, Windy Drama Edition. Balcony gardening in January is like dating a chaotic genius. It can work, but it's spicy. In Europe, January balcony planting is mostly about starting indoors first and using the balcony later for hardening off. You can still grow hardy salads, spinach, rocket, and spring onions under protection. If you sow directly outside, wind will dry pots fast, cold will stall growth, and your seedlings will sit there like, we did not consent to this. Use containers with good drainage and water only when the topsoil feels dry. Want a balcony-specific list for your city? Ask the Strong Echo AI gardening app. What to sow in January on a balcony where I live. What to sow in January in a greenhouse or cold frame, cheat code. If you've got a greenhouse or cold frame, you're basically gardening with legal hacks. In January in Europe, undercover you can sow lettuce, spinach, rocket, spring onions, parsley, and even broad beans in milder areas. The goal is steady growth, not speed-running summer. But beware the greenhouse mood swing. Sunny days can turn it into a sauna, nights turn it into a freezer. Vent on warm days, protect on cold nights. If you want the safest January greenhouse sowing list for your region, ask the Strong Echo AI gardening app. It'll tailor it to your temperatures. What to plant in January outdoors in Europe when soil isn't frozen. Outdoors in January depends on one thing. Can you actually touch the soil without it laughing at you? In milder parts of Europe, you can sow or plant hardy options like broad beans and sometimes garlic if ground conditions allow. In colder areas, January outdoors is mostly soil prep and protection. If your ground is frozen or waterlogged, don't fight it. You'll compact soil and future, you will have regrets. Use this rule. If you can crumble the soil in your hand, you can work it. If it's sludge, step away. Ask the Strong Echo AI gardening app. Is it safe to plant outdoors in January in my city? What to grow in January for fast harvests. Salads that don't judge you. Want quick wins in January? Go for crops that don't need summer vibes. Sow indoors or under cover. Cut and come again lettuce, rocket, spinach, radishes, and pea shoots. These give you harvests while everyone else is just staring at seed catalogs like they're romance novels. Radishes are especially satisfying. They germinate fast and make you feel powerful. Like I did a thing, but edible. Keep light bright and watering sensible. If you keep soil soggy, fungus gnats will show up like uninvited party guests. Need a fast harvest list based on your light level? Ask the Strong Echo AI gardening app. Microgreens in January, the ultimate instant gratification crop. Microgreens are the only crop that respects your attention span. In January, Sow microgreens indoors. Radish, broccoli, mustard, peas. You'll harvest in about a week and feel like a wizard with scissors. They're perfect for Europe winter because they don't need deep pots, they don't take months, and they don't require you to own a greenhouse mansion. If you see fuzzy stuff, don't panic. Sometimes it's harmless root hairs, sometimes it's mold. If you're unsure, use the Strong Echo Plant Pest Health Identifier to get a quick reality check. What herbs to sow in January indoors, Europe edition. January herbs are a mood upgrade. Your food stops tasting like warm beige. Sow indoors: parsley, chives, coriander. Basil can work too, but it's a diva and needs strong light. Thyme and oregano are slow starters, but worth it. Herb rule: don't overwater. Herbs hate wet feet. They want lightly moist, not swimming lessons. If your herbs look sad, ask the Strong Echo AI gardening app, "Why is my parsley struggling indoors?" You'll get an answer without spiraling into 47 forum tabs. Brassicas in January: kale, cabbage, broccoli starts. If you're thinking long game in January, start brassicas indoors. Kale, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. These are slow and steady. They're not here for the drama. They're here for the harvest. Use good light so they don't get leggy. If they stretch, they become weak little noodles, and nobody wants noodle seedlings. Water lightly, keep airflow, and don't crowd them. Overcrowding is basically inviting disease like, "Come on in, make yourself at home." If you want the best brassica to start in your region right now, ask the Strong Echo AI gardening app. Onions in January: start now, harvest like a boss. Onions take time, which is exactly why January is perfect. In Europe, sow onion seeds indoors or undercover in January for strong plants later. Same vibe for leeks: they're slow, but they reward you with "I am a real gardener" energy. Keep them coolish and bright. Don't cook them on a radiator. They are plants, not soup. If your onion seedlings flop over, it's usually light or watering. Ask the Strong Echo AI gardening app, "Why are my onion seedlings falling?" Leeks in January: the elegant vegetable that takes forever. Leeks are basically onions in a tuxedo. Fancy, dependable, and they take their sweet time. That's why January is a great month to start them in Europe, especially if you want thick stems later instead of sad pencil leeks. Use a seed tray or small pots with light, free-draining compost. Sow thinly, because overcrowding turns leek seedlings into a stressed-out subway at rush hour. Cover with a thin layer of compost, mist, and keep them just damp, not wet. Wet is how you accidentally open a fungus gnat hotel. Leeks like gentle warmth to germinate, but once they're up, they actually prefer cooler conditions with bright light. If they're in a dim window, they'll stretch and flop like a dramatic actor. Brightest windowsill you've got, or a basic grow light if winter sun is doing the bare minimum. When seedlings are a few centimeters tall, you can separate and pot them on if they're crowded. They're tougher than they look, but treat the roots like you're rehoming a kitten, not pulling a weed. Broad beans in January: cold weather legends. Broad beans are the winter legends of European gardens. They're one of the few crops that see January weather and go, "Cute." Anyway, in many parts of Europe, you can sow broad beans in January under cover, and in milder areas, you can sometimes sow outside if the soil isn't frozen or waterlogged. The key is soil condition. If it's sticky sludge, don't plant into it unless you want seeds to rot while laughing at you. A smart move is sowing broad beans into pots or modules first. It avoids soggy soil problems and gives you sturdy plants you can transplant later. One seed per module, keep cool and bright, and don't overwater. They're hardy, not aquatic. If mice or birds are a problem, cover pots or beds with mesh. Broad bean seeds are basically a gourmet snack to wildlife. If you want to avoid gambling with the weather, ask the Strong Echo AI buddy if January broad bean sowing is safe where you live. Peas in January: shoots now, pods later. January peas are a choose-your-own-adventure story. Option 1: pea shoots indoors. Fast, easy, and makes you feel like a chef who owns a scarf collection. Sow peas close together in a tray, keep them moist, give them light, and snip when they're a hand's height. You'll harvest long before outdoor gardens wake up. Option 2: start peas under cover for planting out later, especially in milder European regions. Peas love cool conditions, but they still hate sitting in cold, wet compost. Use free-draining mix, water lightly, and give them airflow so mold doesn't move in. If your seedlings look weak, it's usually low light. If they look fuzzy or spotty, it's often too wet and not enough airflow. If you suspect pests or disease, the Strong Echo Plant Pest Health Identifier can help you sanity check what you're seeing instead of guessing. Potatoes in January, chitting for an early start. In most of Europe, you're not planting potatoes into the ground in January. You're doing the secret pre-game, chitting. Chitting is just encouraging seed potatoes to form short, sturdy sprouts before planting time. Set them in a tray or egg carton, eyes facing up, in a bright, cool place, not a dark cupboard. Dark gives you long, pale sprouts that snap if you breathe near them. You're aiming for chunky little sprouts, not spaghetti. If sprouts get too long, move them to brighter light and cooler conditions to slow them down. This is also a good time to sort your seed potatoes. Ditch anything soft, moldy, or suspicious. Potatoes are great, but they should not feel like a stress ball. If you want the best timing for your area, ask the Strong Echo AI buddy when to start chitting and when your usual planting window starts. Bare root fruit in January. Plant future desserts. January is prime time in many parts of Europe for bare root fruit, when the plants are dormant and the ground is workable. Translation: you can plant future desserts while everyone else is indoors arguing with their heating bill. Great choices include raspberries, currants, gooseberries, and many fruit trees, as long as the soil isn't frozen solid or waterlogged. The biggest mistake is planting into mud soup. Roots want firm soil contact, not a drowning simulation. Dig a generous hole, spread roots naturally, backfill, and firm the soil gently. Water in if it's dry, but don't keep soaking it for fun. Add mulch around the base, but don't pile it against the stem like you're frosting a cupcake. If you're unsure what fruit will thrive in your specific climate, the Strong Echo AI buddy can recommend varieties and spacing based on your location and garden size. Flowers to sow in January, because joy matters. Vegetables feed you, flowers feed your soul, and make your garden look like it has a skincare routine. In January, sweet peas are a classic undercover start in many parts of Europe. They're fragrant, they climb, and they make you feel like the main character in a period drama, minus the tuberculosis. Start sweet peas in pots under cover, keep them cool and bright, and don't overwater. Once they're up, pinch the tips to encourage bushier growth. Otherwise, you'll get one long vine that looks impressive, but behaves like a lazy intern. Depending on your setup and region, hardy flowers like calendula can also be started indoors for later planting. Bonus: more flowers later means more beneficial insects, which is basically hiring tiny security guards for your garden. If you want flower picks that match your exact climate, ask the Strong Echo AI buddy what's safe to start in January where you live. Soil prep in January. Mulch like a responsible adult. If January won't let you plant much outdoors, you can still win by prepping soil. This is the part where you do future you a favor, like meal prep but for dirt. When conditions allow, add compost and cover beds with mulch to protect structure and reduce nutrient washout from winter rain. If your soil is wet and squelchy, don't walk on it. Compaction is the silent killer, like sitting on a sponge until it turns into a brick. If you must access beds, use boards or stepping stones to spread your weight. You're basically doing snowshoes for mud. Mulch options: compost, leaf mold, well-rotted manure, or even chopped leaves. The goal is protection and slow feeding, not burying everything like a garden crime scene. If you're not sure what your soil needs, the Strong Echo AI buddy can help based on soil type and what you plan to grow. January seedling problems: leggy, yellow, moldy, or weird. If your January seedlings look odd, congratulations, you are officially gardening. Leggy seedlings mean not enough light. They're stretching because they're desperate, not because they're tall and healthy. Move them to brighter light or use a grow light and keep it close enough to actually matter. Yellowing can mean too wet, too cold, or nutrient issues. In January, the usual villain is overwatering plus low light. Let the surface dry slightly between waterings and make sure pots drain. Mold or algae on the surface usually means the soil is staying wet and airflow is low. Increase airflow, reduce watering, and consider bottom watering so the top stays drier. And pests love winter indoor setups. If you spot tiny flies, webbing, speckles, or sticky residue, don't guess. Use the Strong Echo Plant Pest Health Identifier to narrow it down fast and get the right fix before it spreads. What to plant in January in Europe? Simple plan. Here's the full January plan for Europe, without the fluff. For quick wins indoors or on a bright windowsill, lettuce, rocket, spinach, radishes, spring onions, herbs like parsley and chives, plus microgreens for instant gratification. For undercover in a greenhouse or cold frame, salad crops, hardy herbs, and in many regions broad beans and early pea starts, depending on soil and temperatures. For long game starts indoors, brassicas like kale, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, plus onions and leeks because they need time and they reward patience. And for prep moves that actually matter, chit potatoes plant bare root fruit when the ground is workable, and improve soil with compost and mulch when conditions allow. If you want it perfectly tailored to your exact city and setup, the Strong Echo AI gardening app can build you a January sowing list on the spot and help diagnose issues as you go, before your seedlings turn into a winter soap opera.